Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make a tasty, quick and easy egg fried rice with veggie. Come over to my kitchen guys. Let's go cooking. This is a quick and delicious recipe. Easy for one of the days you come home from work or you are home feeling hungry and you want to fix something fast. This is what we are going to do. We are going to make some egg fried rice. So we want to saute some garlic first into some olive oil. Then we are going to get some veggie from the fridge. Whatever veggie you have is fine. Here I'm using a stir-fried veggie. I really love this veggie. I love the combination of the vegetables. The bell pepper, the broccoli, beans, cauliflower, and carrot. Really nice. So we are going to stir fry this for a few minutes. I really like my veggie a little crunchy, so I will not allow it to fully cook. So after stir frying it for a few minutes, we are going to season our veggie. We are going to season with some Cajun season. That's a little bit of ginger powder. I love to cook with ginger powder. I love the flavor of ginger in some of my dish. So there I'm going to add some onion powder and I will be adding some garlic powder also. So once we add all of our seasoning, we are going to give it a properly stir. And what we are going to do, we are going to make a space into the same pan. We are going to add a little olive oil and then we are going to add our egg mixture. This is about 3 eggs. To flavor up our eggs, I am going to use some Cajun season, but you can add some salt or chicken bouillon if you don't have Cajun season. So before our eggs are completely cooked, we are going to stir it up with the veggie. It will continue to cook while we are stir frying the veggie. That is about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now that we add all our favorite season, we are going to give it a properly stir. And our egg fried rice is done. Quick and easy, yet delicious. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. If you're here for the first time and you enjoy watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. A big shout out to all my faithful viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.